happiness forum for service delivery. Ramaphosa must fall. Ramaphosa must fall. Because this cabinet, just imagine.
The Minister of Youth, about 170 years, Minister of Youth. How can the Minister of Youth represent youth with a Mamagogo? Just imagine. Pants with Ramaphosa, pants. Pants with Ramaphosa, pants. Thank you very much, leaders.
Manda. Okay, is it working? Yeah. Can you hear me at the back? Can you hear me at the back? No. It's very clear that these helicopters are busy interfering with the signal. Pansi ngalama helicopter, pansi! Pansi ngalama helicopter, pansi! Okay, the commander-in-chief here said, what you must do, must give you to rest a little bit, and then you get some speakers to speak. We've got 2 more speakers to speak, and then we're gonna move on. And right now, I'm going to call no one other than Carney House, which is very well known, the president of Areta.
Panzi Ramaphosa, Panzi! Chief Comrade Julius Malema, we thank you and the EFF for having called this national shutdown. All of us who are uniting here to be part of this shutdown are talking one message. Government must go. That message is that we want electricity now. Affordable rates. We want to be sure that there will be service delivery for all the people of this country. We want clean that fights crime. We want to make sure that the land compensation. We want to make sure that the South African Reserve Bank will be nationalized. And we want to make sure that women and children can be safe in this society. None. It is clear that the African National Congress is sold to white monopoly capitalism and liberation struggle has been betrayed. So all of us, comrades, and a radical economic transformation alliance, all of us, EFF, UDM, ATM, BAC, every civil society organization, let us form unity. Let us speak with one voice. Let us make not be a once-off action. Let us continue now. Let us make sure that they will not abuse the South African Police Service and the South African National Defence Force against us. We are peaceful. We are abiding by the democratic laws of this country. We are using our constitutional right to protest and to lock down. We call on all of those soldiers and all of those police. We say on them, you are part of our communities. Amanda! Viva the return of the land to the people! Viva! Viva the creation of a state bank! Viva! Lord! Amanda! Thank you, Comrade.
Last speaker from SAFTU, Comrade Notombeko Luzipo.
Amandla! Amandla! Phansi ngombuso wamasela, umbuso wamasela.